In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Wix Payments Management area from your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard interface. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you can access the site settings without any confusion. Once the dashboard is fully loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Most of the controls you'll need are organized in the navigation panel on the left-hand side, which is where we'll be working for this process. From the left sidebar, begin scrolling down through the settings and menu options until you find the section labeled Finances. Depending on your screen size or the version of the dashboard you're seeing, you may need to scroll a little further to bring it into view. When you locate Finances, click on it to expand or open the available options underneath. Inside the Finances section, look for Payments and click it. This will take you to the area where Wix stores payment-related settings for your site, including the providers you use to accept customer payments. Give the page a second to load completely so all account and provider details are visible before moving on. Once the payments page opens, find the status block for your active Wix payments provider. This section usually shows the current connection or status of that payment method, so it's helpful to confirm that you're looking at the correct provider before clicking anything. In that active provider block, you'll see a Manage button. Click Manage to open the detailed management area for Wix payments. If the button doesn't appear right away, wait a moment for the page to finish loading, or refresh the page in Chrome and check again. It also helps to make sure you're viewing the correct site if you manage more than one inside the same Wix account. After you click Manage, you'll be taken into the Payment Management section where you can continue with whatever payment-related task you need to complete next. The main goal here is simply reaching that management page quickly and correctly through the Wix dashboard. That's it for this process. You've opened the Wix dashboard in Chrome, navigated through the left sidebar to Finances, selected Payments, and accessed the Manage option